This sound is annoying. If someone repeats it here, I can hear it very vibrated. Oh, here, you just hear it, but what is this? If you can tell me how I can fix this shit, let me know, cause it's fucking annoying. I hate it. Thanks, guys. Why is that stop recording?